One thing is certain in the Ukrainian war, the Ukrainian army has definitely taken the initiative from the Russian armed forces. The conquest of the Lyman is only a hindsight indicator in that direction, and now it is clear that the Russian defeat in Ukraine is imminent and there is nothing that Russian President Putin can do about it, except to use nuclear weapons against an unarmed enemy on that country's territory as the biggest coward. But that's another story. Here is a message from Ukraine's border guards to mobilized Russians.
На 3 дня затянулась, и ваш бункерный лидер объявил мобилизацию. Но за 7 месяцев войны вы должны были понять, что мы не отдадим вам ни метра нашей земли. 60 тысяч ваших соотечественников успешно удобряют украинский чернозем. И сколько бы еще мяса не пришло в Украину, это уже ничего не изменит. Помните, как в День Победоносия вы выходили с лозунгами «Можем повторить». Что ж, теперь у вас есть такая возможность. Но у нас для вас плохая новость. С большой долей вероятности вы вернетесь домой в черном пакете. Но есть и хорошее. Ваша жена, мать или отец получат белую ладу. Есть и другой вариант. Избегайте мобилизации или сдавайте в плен. Выбор за вами. Слава Украине! Героям слава!
Ukrainian defenders enters Kurilovka, another place after liberated Lyman. Notice the damaged and left Russian armor. This is captured Russian armor in Lyman. VMP-2 of the Russian 4th Guard Tank Division captured by soldiers of the Rapid Reaction Brigade. Ukrainian forces captured a Russian, 3rd Army Corps, BMP-2M Berezhok infantry fighting vehicle during recent battles in Kharkiv Oblast. Did you order fireworks? The work of soldiers of the Volot Battalion of the Kalininsky Regiment with a mortar at the positions of the Russian invaders.
Выстрел! Выстрел!
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.